Hi, we're at IBC 2022 and we are here with Karim from SYNCO. Hello, Karim.
Hello, nice to meet you.
And what do you have to show us here in the show?
We have the brand new G3. As you can see, you can record directly inside the box. We have two microphones. You have a great display. You can set up each mic.
So you can do either one mic or both mics, right?
Well, one by one.
Oh.
Yeah, no problem. Yeah.
Okay.
You can mute one. You can set up the gain. You can use the FX filter.
What's the battery life on this?
The battery life is around 10 hours.
Oh, that's a lot.
10 hours. We can use on a camera. You can use it on a smartphone.
And you also have, I think, on each device, on each unit, you have a headphone jack, right?
Yeah, right here. Yeah.
And how you connect it to a camera using the 3.5 millimeter?
Yeah,
right.
exactly. You can use both. The USB-C is if you need to use the sound inside the box. Yeah.
Oh, okay. So it basically records.
Well,
but
it's a recorder.
Oh, and it uses a memory card or just internal?
Internal. Yeah, flash card. For each microphone, you have a low cut, you have a high boost, you have an EQ control, and you can use the gain for each microphone or both.
You can set each microphone differently?
Yeah, exactly, differently. Yeah, stereo or mono. You can use all.
And in terms of pricing and availability of this?
It's not available yet, but the price is around $240.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much. Bye-bye.